Hi guys, in front of me is Vivo X90 Pro, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at first open the browser that you are using, then tap on more icon and select history right here. Now click on clear browsing data, and you've got basic and advanced options here. So under basic you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cart images and files. And then under advanced you've got browsing history, cookies and site data. Actually these are from the basic ones. And then you've got also saved passwords, out of inform data, and site settings. Mark those that you wish to remove, then choose the time range and tap on clear data. And that's it, this would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.